As a small YouTuber, if YouTube is not recommending your video, you're leaving a lot of views on the table, and it is not YouTube's fault. It's your fault. Because you need that visibility for you to get your 1000 subscribers, your 4000 watch hours, and definitely get monetized. As for me, YouTube push my videos. It was YouTube that recommend all my videos for me to be able to reach my 12,000 subscribers on my other channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys the key settings that you need to turn on for YouTube to recommend your videos. And the funniest part, you might have tampered with the setting, or you might have not even turned it on. So I'm going to show you guys the setting, just one key setting. So you guys need to watch this video from beginning to the end. Don't skip any part, because if you skip a part, it might be the part where I'm telling you settings, what and what you should do, what and what you should do, or what and what you should not do. So don't skip any. How you are going to turn the setting on? I know you all might have watched turn the setting on, turn the setting off on different videos, but trust me, this what I'm about to say, you've not watched it before, you've not heard it anywhere else. It's just fresh and new from the source. So let's get up into the video. So guys, the first thing you have to do is to go to your Safari, your Chrome, or your Google app. So now I'm currently using iPhone, so I'm going to my Safari. I'm inside my Safari now. Search for studio.youtube.com. So it's loading. Once you search for that, you click on this one. Hold and click on it. Then you open a new tab. You see something like this, then you click on continue to studio. It's loading. So once you are inside the app, you click on this place, this pencil side that is here. Click on here. You see this is your profile. You see your profile, everything. So you click on home tab. You see something like show your channel home tab to highlight and showcase content for your audience. You see that it's toggled off. I toggled off mine so I can show you guys how to do this from scratch. So you toggle it on. So once you've toggled it on, you see layout. Customize the layout of your channel homepage with up to 12 sections. So what you're going to do is that you're going to click on this add section. We want YouTube to recommend our videos, right? So we click on for you. Once click on for you, they brought out something like YouTube recommends fresh content based on your viewers' interest. This is only visible to your viewers when you have enough content. So you click on it. So if you are not making videos on your channel, you need to start making videos so that these settings can actually work. If you have enough videos on your channel, just click on more settings. So now once you click on more settings, you see what to include in the for you section. The for you section will only be visible to your viewer when you have enough content. Like what you said earlier before, you need to create content for this thing to actually work. So you see your content type are videos, shorts, and live stream. So if you create more shorts, YouTube will recommend it to the right audience. If you create more videos, they recommend it to the right audience. If you create more live stream, they recommend it to the right audience. So this page that I wrote recently, if yours is in recent content only, YouTube will only recommend the content you've posted in the past 12 months. Do not recommend all your content. Like do not recommend your recent and fresh content. So you have to click on all contents recommended. Then once you click on that, you click on done. Then once you click on done, you click on add section again. Then you click on channel trailer. This channel trailer is very important for small channels, because this is the video that if you have a new subscriber, if they subscribe to your channel, this is the video that you are going to see on your YouTube channel. This is the first video, so you have to click on the best performing content. So I click on this one. So once you click on that, so you see the old channel trailer are for people who haven't subscribed to your channel. So if you have someone that have not subscribed to your channel, if they come to your channel, these are the first video they are going to see. Or if you have someone that is just new, that just saw your channel and just click on it, this is the first video you're going to see. So I highly recommend you do this. So once you click on that, you click on add section again, then you click on spotlight for returning subscribers. What this means is that when your subscribers subscribe to your channel and they come back to your channel to watch another video, YouTube is going to show them videos that you are going to pick videos that you want your returning subscribers to watch. So I'm going to pick this one, like the first videos you want your returning subscribers to see. So this thing is very important. This method really helps a lot. Then you come back and click on add section. Then once you click on add section, you click on spotlight for returning subscribers. This means that once someone subscribes to your channel and come back to your channel to watch more videos that you've posted, this, like, you select a particular video that you want them to see. So I'm going to pick this one. And this thing is also helpful because if this channel is no more, like if the video is no more going viral again, you can also come back here to change it. Just click on these three dots, you click on change video, you can easily come back here to change the video in case the video is not performing like it was before. You can click on change video and change the video, and come back to add section again. You click on videos. So you can click on, there are a lot of things. You can come back to that section and click on popular videos, short videos, collaboration, live now, past life, upcoming life, single playlist, created playlist, multiple playlists, so on and so forth. You can click on all of them one by one. So me, I'm going to click on videos so that whoever comes to my channel, they're going to see my videos. And this really works. Like, it's very fast. It helps you to recommend your videos to wider audience. You click on everything. So once you click on everything you want to select or do everything you want to do, sure. So what you're going to do, you're going to click on save at top right there. Because if you not click on save, everything you've just done is going to, once you leave the page, everything is going to go back to normal. Like, it's going to go back to the way it was before. So you're going to click on save to save your project. See, those projects have already been saved. So that's how you do it. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and comment in the comment section.